Recently, I've heard a lot of people have this problem where they don't know which programming language they should learn. However, the solution to that problem is much simpler than you think. You just need to stop overthinking. The first thing is you're going to consider your goals. Identify what it is you want to do in your career. You can learn web development or you can learn data science. You can even do game development. Don't like the sound of any of those? Well, you can learn mobile development. There's literally a plethora of options you can choose from. So if you can't find anything that interests you, you need to find something else to do. Now, one thing you must know before we continue is that different languages excel at different things, as you'll see in a second. I'm just gonna come out and say that if you're learning a language for the first time, just literally pick either JavaScript or Python. These two languages are so versatile that even if you don't end up using them, they'll provide you with everything you need to know. Now, if you're learning web development, you must learn JavaScript. I mean, there's literally no alternative. Just look at the vast amount of front-end frameworks that are built on top of JavaScript. And you can even build the entire backend using JavaScript, although there are many languages that could be used for backend stuff. Then you have Python if you are learning data science or artificial intelligence. Python is also widely popular for backend development. These two languages are the kings when it comes to overall popularity and usage, and they're growing every year. However, there is also niche paths like mobile development, where I would recommend learning Swift if you want to go into iOS development, and if you want to get into Android development, there's Kotlin and Java. And for game development, there's C++ and C#. And for general apps, there's Python, Rust, C, and C++. With all this being said, there really is one important concept you must know. Whatever language you choose, you must pick it up and stick with it until you truly master it. I say this because all programming languages are the same. It's easier to learn a programming language if you already have one mastered in your toolkit. For something so simple as picking out where to start, people really like to make a big deal about it. Here's a tip that's going to change your mindset for the better. If you decide to go ahead and learn something and end up not liking it, switching over to another technology is the easiest thing ever, and it won't take as big an effort as people think. The most important thing is that you actually stop searching for advice and start learning.